Yo, this is from Playa Hotel. This is our vocalist.
Yo!
Tupac in the house. Hashtag. Tuloy-tuloy lang kasiyahan. This is our big beatbox man, Reggie Mateo. And the other one is our second voice, Julius Perez. Our guitarist is Choi Villame. Okay.
First shot, motherfucker. Putang ina mo, lasing ka na. Babasag ka na ng bote. I didn't do anything. We drop. You drop the bottle. You drop. Kagabi, pagod lang. Ako ngayon, normal ako ngayon. Anong patay ko? You drop. Choy! Ano? Si Reggie, nakita ko na ng lasing.
You drop the bottle.
You are the eggs, your heads. And you will win yung the trap.
Wala, meron doormat.
Normal.
Normal pare. Taray.
Joy, yung mga basic lang.
Basic na pare.
Makasabay ako ng basic.
Joy, yung mga
Sabi ko
ano lang,
dito
Joy.
konti.
Tunog kalye.
Eh,